Here we're taking a look at the Betta SE solar-powered automatic robotic pool skimmer. Very excited to have a look at these today. We've done other pool skimmers, but we're very excited. We've heard a lot of good things about this. Start with the take it out of the box. Now again, as you can see, nice packaging straight away. Literally just pop it out like that, nice and easy, which is great. I'll remove the box, and here we are just here. Now I love that color blue as well. I'd say blue is one of my favorite colors. Let's undo the plastic. Okay, so let's have a start with. To start with, you've got the actual instruction manual as well as a remote control. The remote control is a very nice touch actually. That means you can actually control it yourself from the water. But without being in the water, there's also the instruction manual, which we'll go through shortly. First time I've seen actually a remote control too, which I think is a great touch. So I will, in a minute, go and put the batteries in there and unscrew it. Having a look at the actual skimmer itself. So it has 30 hours continuous cleaning power and re-engineered twin salt chlorine motors. So, which is very, very important. Now, recharge takes about 5 to 6 hours under sunlight with the solar panel, which is fantastic. It means you can continue charging the whole time while you're using it. The actual battery itself has 30 hours on a single charge. Now, first thing I love is the actual design of it. Look at that beautiful blue color. It's not too heavy either, which is great. You've got these bumpers here as well. That stops it from actually bumping into the wall, which is a very important point. Now, on the back here, you have those twin chlorine motors that we just mentioned. So there we have the twin chlorine proof motors that turn. So what they do is these are the ones that basically drive it around the pool, make it more reliable, responsive, and energy efficient. So it's a patented and re-engineered motor as well, which is fantastic. Now, it also has a special UV resistant coating, which means it's going to protect from damage caused by the sun and out and about. Let's go and open that up too. Now, so you turn it on. So on, off. We don't want it on at the moment, obviously. And you can see here you've got the actual solar panel here. Now, again, 5 to 6 hours, it can actually be ready in the sun. Let's go take a look and have a look at what comes in it. So open this up. So there we are now. Now to start with, that is to put in your actual pool cover to stop it from getting stuck in there. And in here, you've actually got the filter. Now it comes with a ultra fine mesh filter that goes down to 200 nm, which is great. So it comes in there. So we're going to test it out shortly. And obviously, as it comes through, filters out that way. Now you can also see, again, it comes through. So there's the motor in there. It drives through and it pushes it all through into the... So the motor comes through the fine mesh there, and it comes in and gets caught in the basket as well. And that turns as it's driving it around, which is very, very nice. Now you've got, it's fresh as salt water. It uses UV resistant, and it's cordless as well with the remote control. And I think that's absolutely quite beautiful. Now this doesn't actually charge itself either. So it relies on solar power to charge itself. So if you stick it out in the sun, and it will charge pretty quickly as well. So yeah, lovely little pool cleaner. You've also got these as well, which you can put at the bottom. So these basically stop it from bumping against steps. If you have steps in the bottom, which we do, which we'll set up. So let's go pop it out and get it working.